Let's read a short story entitled The King of the Forest by Xavier Pirota. A fox was having a nap. Suddenly, a tiger leapt out at him. "I've got you!" The fox trembled. How could he save himself? But then the fox had an idea. He said to the tiger, "How dare you touch the king of the forest?" The tiger said, "The lion is the king of the forest." The fox replied, "Everyone bows down before me now. Let go of me, and I'll show you." It's your turn to read. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Find the sentences in the tail and write the missing words. One. A blank was having a nap. A fox was having a nap. Two. Suddenly, a tiger blanked out at him. Suddenly, a tiger leapt out at him. Three. But then the fox had a blank. But then the fox had an idea. Four. Everyone blanked down before me. Everyone bows down before me. Answer these questions. Use the story to help you. 1. What was the fox doing before the tiger leapt out? Having a nap. 2. What did the fox do when the tiger leapt out? Trembled. 3. Who did the fox say he was? King of the forest. 4. Who did the tiger think was the king of the forest? Lion. 'The end. Did you enjoy the story? If you do, kindly click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell button to keep you updated on our latest videos.